Raptor grill, sick add-on. These grills are advertised to fit on 03 to 07 Econolines. The grill shape on these vans were the same from 92 to 2007, just different variations. And then in 2008, Ford went with the pickup truck style front end from the Super Duties. So from 92 to 96 there was a different grill design, then 97 to 02 different grill design, then 03 to 07 different grill design. I will upload the install video tomorrow. It didn't take much modification to make this fit. It was really easy. This did come with the gigantic Ford letters, but it says Ford up here. Same with the 92s and 96s. There's a Ford emblem up here, so I don't want it to say Ford. But on the 03 to 07, the Ford emblem is actually in the grill. So if you go with the Raptor grill in 03 to 07 Econolines, then the big letters will be nice. In fact, I'll show you that right now. Oh yeah, so I did park next to this thing to show you guys the Super Duty style grill. And if you're thinking about getting a lift kit for your van, the height difference, it's always good to see a perspective if you're thinking about getting a 5-inch lift for your van. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights. There you go. The amber lights, I just spliced them in with my off-road lights, and then I finally spliced in these LEDs that came with the headlights, little light bars right here, and then the amber lights up top. Very nice. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys the big Ford letters real quick. Right here, there's the O, here's the F. Yeah, it's gigantic. So yeah, if you do put one of these in your 03 to 07, definitely put in the gigantic Ford letters. So upload video, or install video, will be uploaded tomorrow. And then van meet update right here. So check that out. The October van meet is about a month away.